Some time ago, Knowing Better made a video defending Columbus from many of the revisions out there. Yet, he produced another video titled Acknowledging the Past, Columbus in Context, where he explains why he still thinks Columbus Day or his statues should be replaced, except that his explanations to his position are all wrong and historically incorrect. For example, Knowing Better says Columbus was looking for Cipangu, but in reality, he was looking for the Indies, which included Cipangu and Cathay, the surrounding islands, and the continent. Knowing Better says Columbus did not come up with this idea. Maybe he meant the idea of the existence of Cipangu, which is true, but the idea to reach the east by sailing west was his idea. Up to that time, people reached the Indies by traveling by land or by circumnavigating the African continent, but not by crossing the Atlantic. People thought Columbus was insane because there was nothing but water between Europe and Asia. Knowing Better also removes Columbus from his historical context when he says Columbus assumed he was on an island off the coast of Japan when he reached America in 1492, except that it was not just Columbus but everyone else in the Old World that believed this. The people from the Old World did not know there was another continent on the other side of the globe. Knowing Better claims Columbus kidnapped some Tainos so he could take them to Spain to teach them Latin. This is incorrect. It was Spanish and not Latin. Knowing Better is correct that Columbus did not start the transatlantic African slave trade. However, Americans being enslaved in America did not start with Columbus, as he claims or implies. Slavery was practiced before 1492 by the indigenous people, and it was practiced in every continent of the world as well. Knowing Better is also incorrect when he implies Columbus's second voyage was the beginning of the Encomienda system. The Encomiendas started after Columbus was removed from office by Governor Nicolas de Ovando. Columbus was not a participant on the mistreatment of the natives, and Knowing Better is wrong when he says that Columbus, as a governor, did not do anything to stop them. In fact, Columbus punished the Spaniards for abusing the natives, and he reported the atrocities when he was powerless to act due to the rebellion by a man named Roldan. The King and Queen of Spain did not replace Columbus because of his inability to extract gold or the mistreatment of the colonists or natives. That is false. Columbus was removed because Roldan and his rebels, along with a corrupt investigator named Bobadilla, slandered Columbus and arrested him without due process. Columbus did not defend himself from child sex slavery after he was arrested and removed from office either. That revisionist charge is based on fiction. Columbus was not directly responsible for the deaths of tens or hundreds of thousands, and he neither killed millions with diseases. Plagues killing great numbers of people had happened before, during, and after Columbus, in both the Old and New World. It was more common than most people know. The reasons why revisionists are getting away with this is that most indigenous peoples in the Americas did not have a written language where we can see their record of epidemics. In addition, Columbus is not responsible for anyone's poverty today, but to read more about Knowing Better's eras and the corresponding corrections, click the link below the description of this video, and don't forget to subscribe.